friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Myra and my channel is all about travel, food, and motherhood. So today is April 28th, Friday, and tomorrow my friends and I are going on a trip to Taiwan. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepared and packed for my trip. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe or hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo if may bagong videos ako. So, let's get started! So, these are the clothes that I'm going to bring in Taiwan. Naka-arrange na siya according sa day na susuotin ko. Actually, my friends and I have a dress code. On day 1, we're going to wear something black. And ito yung susuotin ko. My airport look. Hindi ko na siya isasama sa luggage. So, kasi susuotin ko on our first day when we travel to Taiwan. Then, on the second day, we're going to wear a dress. Dalawa ang dinala ko because I'm not yet decided what to wear. Depende kasi sa weather sa Taiwan. And then on the third day, we're going to wear something with print. Ito yun. Yung susuotin ko. And on the last day, we can wear anything. So, ito yung susuotin ko that day. And I might pair this top with these shorts. Nagdala din ako ng extra short and a shirt just in case I need to change. I'll also bring 2 PJs and then of course my intimates. I love using packing cubes kasi it keeps your things organized inside your luggage. I got my packing cubes from Uniqlo. Uniqlo baka naman. Libre to siya nung may binili akong mga clothes from them. This one I got it sa SM. Packing cube siya for intimates. Dito, dalagay mo yung bra and then yung undies. And gamit na gamit ko na to. And it's very useful in keeping my things organized. For toiletries, ito naman yung dadalhin ko. Conditioner, shampoo, deodorant, feminine wash, toothpaste and toothbrush. Facial wash, nilagay ko na sa container. Body towel, and then soap. For skincare naman, these are the things that I'm going to bring. Toner, moisturizer, sunscreen on the face, sunblock sa body, soothing gel, dala kasing primer to eh. And then lotion, Lucas Papaw, makeup remover, and then para sa hair actually, nasama lang dito. Cuticle coat for hair. And guys, ito, pag nag-check-in ako sa hotel, Kinukuha ko yung mga ganito. Same with the body towel earlier. Ito. Kinukuha ko yung mga ganito sa hotel. Pag, every time I check out. Kasi magagamit mo to when traveling. Just like now, di ba? For makeups, ito naman dadalhin ko. Cute, no? Kasi may lalagyan na, di ba? Organized. And then, madala din akong powder, mascara, contour stick, highlight stick, blush from BLK, and then ito from O2O, eyebrow pencil, concealer, sponge, and then ito for the hair, to keep your hair away from your face. And dala din akong medicine like paracetamol, strepsils pag makating lalamunan. Also, bringing my vitamins. Siyempre, mahaba-habang lakarin sa Taiwan. Nagdala din ako nito. And then this one, digest. Pag masakit yung tiyan mo, this is, good. Pahid mo lang sa tiyan mo. And then, after a few minutes, wala na. So, share ko sa inyo yung nabili kong luggage from Travelex. Brand niya is Travelex. And sabi nung salesman, same maker daw siya ng Hawk bags. Nabili ko siya on sale, 50% discount ang promo nila. This is the medium luggage. And then this is the large luggage. Itong medium, ang original price niya is 5,859. And less 50, so nabili ko siya around 2,900. And then itong large luggage, price niya was 6,259, pero since they're on sale, 50% off, nabili ko na lang siya around 3,100. Ito yung napili ko kasi it looks durable, plus TSA lock pa siya. Magagamit mo siya when you travel to US. Ang mura lang niya, tas TSA pa. Usually pag may TSA lock, ang mahal eh. And then, ang nagustuhan ko pa dito is flat yung lock. Hindi yung kagaya sa iba na nakaumbok. So, this type of lock adds to the aesthetic of the luggage. And then, malalaman mo pag pulido yung luggage. Pag tinignan mo yung loob kasi hindi mo kang mumurahin. It's not flimsy. Yung mga pockets siya. Medyo malalim yung niya dito, compartment niya dito. Itong medium pala, hindi mo siya mahahan carry. Lang to siya, check-in. Gusto ko sanang bumili ng full set yung may hand carry kaso wala na silang stock. So, ito na lang muna. And guys, Pinoy brand to ha. So, tangkilikin natin ang sarili natin. Dalawa pala yung binili ko kasi I'll be using this on another trip in June. Then ito naman, ito yung gagamitin kong luggage to Taiwan. Excited na akong gamitin to. I'll update you guys if okay ba talaga siya. I'll be sleeping tonight at my dad's condo unit kasi maaga ang flight namin bukas. So, time to pack my carry-on. Good morning, guys! Papunta na ako ng airport ngayon and this is my airport look. And ito yung dadalhin ko. And carry and then check-in luggage. So, see you guys later! Hey guys! Nandito na ako sa airport. And I'm just waiting for my friends. Wala pa sila. Andito ako ngayon sa harap ng China Airlines check-in counter. But they're still closed. Our flight is at 12:05 p.m. pa naman din kasi kaya siguro. On the way here, I decided to take a bus from SM City Cebu. Yung my bus, mas mura kasi compared to grabbing a taxi or a car. It's just around 50 pesos. Diba ang mura? Compared to Grab, when I checked it, around 465 pesos yung babayaran ko. Dito na lang ako sa 50 pesos, diba? So that's a travel tip that you might want to try. If you're based here in Cebu and you're going to the airport, I recommend that you ride the my bus service from the city to the airport. Madali lang yung biyahe. Siguro kasi hindi traffic because it's a Saturday. It only took 20 minutes to get here. So guys, I'm now at the boarding gate with my friend. Say hi! Our boarding time is at 11:35 a.m. and maghihintay na lang kami ngayon. Hopefully hindi siya ma-delay. So see you in Taiwan on my next video. Bye!